So, my people, we dey welcome una come this program again, Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to una from Procyon radio and television. And today, I bring better tori come give una. Abeg, make una no go, make una dey with us. I get special guests wey dey with us today for the tori. Make una dey follow us as we open up the whole tori. My guests dey for house. And my guest name be, make you tell people wetin your name be by yourself.
My name na Humphrey Iluore. Una well done, my people.
All right.
My name na Mazi Uchenna Ijedalo.
All right, una don hear my people now. So make una just dey follow us. If una also get una comment for this story, make una drop am for us. Tell us wetin una feel about the story. This woman dey go je for road. Na she come get flat tire. As she get the flat tire, na you know where woman go dey struggle to say, hey, wetin dey happen, wetin dey happen. Na she come see somebody wey be man come stand. Say, ah, madam, wetin happen to you now? He say na flat tire o. Ah, no worry, I go help you. Na the man come collect the wetin una dey call am, what una dey take the jack
and the wheel
come dey help the woman to comot the whole tire, replace the tire with the spare tire wey she get. And then after the man don take him time do everything, na the woman come ask the man say to abeg give me your phone number. In the process, as he give her, you know say dem go exchange now. So why the woman come ask am say give me your number? Na this one be the problem wey she come get with her husband. Wey the husband dey talk say why person wey change your tire go come dey call you. He call you the first time, he call you the second time. According to the tori, he even call the woman in the night. Now the husband say no, this one I no gree. Why you even give am your phone number in the first place? Why you two go collect this man phone number in the first place?
Actually, when you don help now, which kind of rubbish be that? Wetin you wan carry a number do? You wan make the tire flat again? Make be say na him dem go call? Which kind winch be that one? How na juju be that? You don help person as you help am. If God make a reward you, go now person wife. Wetin you wan do with person wife? I no dey know this problem of this country sef. You wan collect person wife number? That phone go catch fire.
It's not right. But condition fit warrant am. Your madam dey drive comot, attire spoil for road. Man go carry reach help her. And the woman say, thank you for assisting me. Okay, please can you give me your phone number so that I appreciate you. The wife he decide say to give your husband phone number. Baby, somebody assisted me today. You get. But the motive matters a lot.
In my own opinion, do you understand? Collecting the number is not an issue. It's the motive behind it. Do you understand? I want to believe every responsible woman, every responsible, I repeat, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
We never collect that number to maybe do otherwise. But saying that, that's meant for you anyway. That's meant for you. They can go to the extreme to think the word. This my gentleman here was even telling me that he will not take that too.
For instance, I'm not married yet, but if I'm married and my woman come out and said somebody help her, a guy help her on the road, maybe for any circumstances, and she collected his number. Me as a person, because I'm single and maybe because of the kind of work I am, I won't take it. I will have a different meaning because I'm an overthinker. Let me put it that way. Because what will come to my mind is like simple thank you suppose don't do now. Like why having number if there's no motive? That's me. It's totally wrong.
For me, it is right for her to would have given him his the number because it's out of excitement. She don't know where she is going to meet the guy again, and maybe tomorrow night he will still be of help to the lady. So there's no point. Like, I see no reason why she shouldn't give the guy the number. because at least he helped her.
Well, it's a free world. If she does not have any ulterior motive, I don't think it's bad. But basically, I don't think it's necessary. If you have rendered a help to somebody, no matter the level of help, and the person says thank you, I think it should end there.
Once a married woman, there's no need to collect any number. Absolutely no need. Say you help, change tire, you know before cleanser. Don't walk out go your own way. Plenty times you help people, like here now, person ask for 1K. Say you want to appreciate me, have a collect number. No, small help, walk out for one. All right. You don't need.
There are two ways to it. One is that she's giving him number to appreciate him later, probably not in kind. You understand? Then for me as a person, I will just not take it. I'm a man now. Sure. From my wife, I will not take it. I will assume she wants to do nonsense.
I think it's outside of talk. For you to say somebody's wife number, that's what you collected. What? And you know that someone's wife. If someone do it to you, what will you do? Somebody's your wife man just came in suddenly and said, somebody fixed up my car. I now said, I decided to give the person my number. How will you feel if you are the person, if you are in the shoe? I think they bewitch you. It's not a normal thing.
That one now wetin people talk. Make we enter studio now. Make we discuss this matter. Make I start with Uchenna.
My people, when they listen to us, you see this kind of thing now. Something wey be say if it happen, you're going to ask yourself. I will carry it in two ways. Person where they tie wrapper inside bedroom they bath, know himself. You don't go first of all rub pomade, come go the bath. Now if you bath finish, now you clean body, you come rub pomade. But in this case, if like say they rub pomade before them bath. In the sense that what will be the aim of that woman giving the man number in the first place? Why you go even give a number in the first place? Person help you. What him thank you never do? Thank you. You go car for road, your tire spoil. I can't help you. The normal thing where Africans know, now even the whole world, now thank you for helping me. You go. Which are message of number? When I work for the same place, now your brother.
Uchenna, you know things say maybe out of excitement. This woman go feel say, for this man to give me in time, I feel appreciate him later. Make her just collect him number.
Okay.
You don't think so?
Okay. If that one feel happen for single lady, the way where the world dey now, to me, it dey morally wrong. Make married woman, as you talk to a married woman, say man help her. You can't carry number give you. You know say people they even track with your number. You know the man. The man just feel help because say you see fine woman for road may help. You know the motive.
Okay.
He carry number give her.
All right. Make we hear Humphrey.
So this matter now, the thing happen be say now. Me, I get two or three ways for this matter.
Okay.
The first way, the first reason when I reason be say the woman feel get that emotion of say now if everything involved with the woman, no be the man will help am. Because now the first one be say the woman go feel say make I collect this man number so that maybe I no get money for my pocket that moment. Maybe if I reach out, if I talk to my husband, they go send money. You know something like that. Appreciation still dey. Okay. You feel help me.
Yes.
If you feel help me, and you don't ask me for payment. But on my own, I need to appreciate you.
Okay.
Number one. Maybe as he collect the man number, maybe as he reach out, if he discuss with the husband, because I believe say for the husband to know na person will help him. He don't discuss the matter
with the husband.
With the man say, so person help me.
Yes.
You haven't collect the number. If he be say he tell the husband say only you give am send am something, I make you just appreciate her for wetin he do because they always say.
Or maybe she herself wan appreciate
am, but I no get for that moment. That is why I collect number. That's number one. Number two again. You get some people if they no tell you say they don't marry, you no go know say they don't marry.
Yes.
You understand? That's number one. Now, as woman collect the number from the man, it we don't know what I tell the man. He show the man saying don't marry.
Yes.
Yeah, and I be number one because I believe say man wey know say person woman dey husband house. No matter how bad that man dey, you go know where to call the woman.
Okay.
You understand me? So I know now the whole mistake na the woman. To me I go fit no be say I wan put the blame, but if the woman fit advertise am, no say when you talk to woman, the woman say no sorry I'm engaged or no sorry I'm married. You know, but the woman no show that
concern say you don marry or you dey engaged.
She allow the
man
to call her.
And na she even ask the man for the number. The man fit just say maybe this girl don fall in love because we dey say for Nigeria we love dey start when
you dey help person.
Rationale go help Genevieve help repair tire. We dey see am. So maybe na where the man mind go with that. You understand? So na when me I fit see the woman, I go fit blame am for that matter. For the man again, now the man now, you call the first time. Because I go still talk about, still blame the woman on that one. Because as the man called the first day, bam, if you no tell her, say, you don't know say I dey husband house, why you go dey call me? You no tell her. Because for the man to call the second time, that means he no tell her the first time say he dey husband house.
He come dey feel like
say this is opportunity to get the woman. Rich woman, you know. And because na person dey trek go see who tire burst. Na so you know say things hard.
You dey for leg.
You dey for leg, you get T-pain for body. Sure understand? So na so the thing be.
Alright.
So na where I take see my own be that.
Okay, thank you very much. Ijegalo, wetin you see inside wetin him talk? Wey you go fit at least.
The thing be say him don talk am, him talk him own o. But the thing be say even the book of life wey we dey read, because that woman dey say na which help. Bible talk say I go carry my eye look up where my help come from. E come from heaven and earth. God wey make
God go use person.
Use which person
take help you.
No, yes, help dey go from anywhere.
Use person wey the man don dey call, you no resist. I agree with am for that one. He call the second time, you no resist.
Okay.
Totally.
When me I see say this woman dey a little bit wrong, be say the first time like Humphrey talk now. The first time when this man call her, she go tell am, oh thank you very much, oh you are the one, oh thank you very much, I'm very grateful, thank you, God bless you, but please if my husband no say I dey call person no, abeg you go dey one kind for me. So that's all. I just wanted to get your number to communicate with you. Please let it be.
As matured as I am now, if I dey talk to a girl or a lady or a married woman, within 10 minutes, person wey know when him head correct go don know say this woman na married, because the conversation style dey different from a young girl, a married woman and a lady. The conversation style, even if the married woman dey try to hide her marriage status, one thing go come from her mouth. Within 10 minutes you go know.
Okay.
That man get say that thing ba. That man say this. I understand what you talk, but you know say that thing ba. It gets the way they be. Not everybody get the same mindset, the same acute way you get, which you understand something, to read something. You understand? So the woman, I don't blame the husband for the husband to blame the wife. I blame the wife for the whole matter.
But wetin me I dey think be say, you as a man you supposed to know your wife. Do you understand?
Yes.
You supposed to know the kind of woman wey you dey with. If you know say your wife na the type wey be say you no go look outside, no need to vex. Since she don come back tell you say see the number and the person wey help me I collect the number, and she don already inform you, no need to vex for me o. If you know say your wife na the type wey dey waka, na that one na go make you to vex. Na wetin me I look be that.
And me I wan support wetin you talk, because me I blame the woman for the man to holla say the stranger dey help wey help him wife still dey call am. For the man to get that anger, he know him wife small.
Okay.
Because and for the wife they do first call, you know show sign say you don marry. Do second call, no show sign say you don marry. He know say the wife fit fall. You know say some women fit dey resist, they go fall for some things later. He know say the wife fit fall. That make him.
Na another thing be that.
Na another thing be that. Yes. So we need to dey look everything.
Na another thing be that. When oyibo dey talk say there is power in repetition. Anything wey you dey do on and on before you know
you go get used to it. You get used to am.
You don dey used to am.
I still maintain my stand. Na that woman problem.
Okay.
Because na how initiate the whole thing. The man get right to vex.
Yes.
Because they don call first time, the voice come low. Second time again, e come dey lower. Men, if na you wey keep wife for house, no matter how you know the wife, whether your wife waka or no waka, the man eye, if as an African you go comot him through eye. Because na your wife be you go call am by why am early hours in the morning for wetin na.
Alright, thank you very much. Okay, anything wey una get to tell us, abeg make una help us drop am for our comment section. I wan thank my guests for coming to the studio, Humphrey Iluere and Maazi Uchenna Ijegalo. Thank you very much for coming to the studio. You wey dey lis ten to this one now, drop your comments so that we go know wetin and how to solve future problem. Make our women no dey fall inside trouble. You wey be woman, abeg make you know as you go dey take your step one step at a time so that e no go affect your marriage. With this one now we wan talk say thank you for watching us. This program dey come to una from Procyon radio and television. Una fit get us for different social media handle. We dey for YouTube, we dey for TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, all over Facebook. If una just type Procyon RTV, una go get us there. So we dey all over. Make una no forget to subscribe, like, share, and also drop una comment. We dey with una. God bless una. Thank you. My name na Sarah Agbo. One talk say the program again na area tori. Una bye bye, but make una remember, make una just dey shine like the star wey una be.